Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how we can pay by cash on Uber Auto Ride. Yes, if you are on Uber homepage and where to will be always allowing you to go to any destination wherever you would be requiring. For example, I would like to select Secunderabad railway station from my place, and there will be several options to go to that destination. From my place to that destination, there will be always vehicles like auto, car and Uber Motor too. In this video, I'd like to show you how we can pay by cash on booking Uber Auto. So Uber Auto is the option I'm selecting here. Just click on this option and will allow you to pay by some payment method. See, there will be several options here. Just click on the cash option, then cash option will be selected here. For this Uber Auto, there will be cash option, and selecting cash, I would like to confirm the ride, so that after finishing my ride, after reaching to that particular destination, Ola driver will be asking me to pay the money. That money will be paid through cash only. This 321 rupees I'll be paying through cash. That means, so I'll be showing it to you one more time. If you are on your home page, just go to wherever you want to go, select that option. There will be options, vehicle options will be there, out of which you have to select your Uber Auto. For Uber Auto, if you would like to select through normal cash, just select cash and close this. Now the Uber Auto 321 can be paid through cash. Just click on the Uber, confirm Uber Auto, your ride will be done. After reaching to your destination, pay this 321 rupees. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.